I hope no parents come to me, please.
What do you think about Bhagya Shadi?
भाग की शादी. See, even if you do भाग की शादी, it depends on parents how they will react, okay? But तुझे adventure के लिए करनी है क्या?
मेरे को करनी ही नहीं, मेरे को क्वेश्चन आया भाई.
So बेटा देखो, अगर आप श्योर हो कि वो लड़का या लड़की आपके पेरेंट्स जो चूज करेंगे उससे बेटर है, तो प्लीज करो. Because I have seen, I'm telling you, in my own classmates who have done that. And they are happy because they knew that we have chosen the best for ourselves.
But sometimes people show you the side they
Fake
want you to
picture.
see.
That's what I'm saying, that if you're really sure that you have chosen the person better than your parents could have chosen for you, then you can. But otherwise, I would say कि पसंद है पेरेंट्स को बताओ. मैं बता रही हूँ, कोई भी पेरेंट्स हो आज की डेट में, टुडे जनरेशन, whatever, even if they are not very much open with you, they're not talking to you right now, but by the time you're marriageable and you come and tell them we have a boyfriend, they will agree. They will agree. I'm telling you, even Rishi Gauri's father, if I go and tell him Gauri is a boyfriend, wants to do a love marriage, he would just want to see how the boy is.
Basically,
So
you want to
any-
see the background and how the guy is doing financially.
Because right now I think वो caste system और वो the
But
status
there are
and everything is
that
gone.
status and all is gone, but caste is still there.
But I think it doesn't matter that much.
So what are your views on girls going out with their guy friends at night? Or any night, the day specifically at night?
Nothing more safer than going out only with girls.
I personally feel I have
If you know the, if I know the guy,
yeah,
and
my
you
mom
go out
knows
with-
everybody,
Yeah.
all of my guys.
and see, I too will talk to their parents also. You know, I'm that kind of person. Because to be sure that my kid is going to
With
go
the right
with
person.
I would make sure that the parents, the family, I know. So I specifically make this a point that if Gauri has a boyfriend, I have to meet their parents.
Or like
Because
no.
when you meet and know the
Yeah.
parents, then you're sure what kind of guy that person is, what kind of girl that person is. I'm not saying just guys, okay, girls also. Anybody and everybody can
Because
be
there
good.
are people whose parents are also a little like weird, and that's why because of their genes it happens that the child
No, not
also
genes.
like
It's not genes. It's
upbringing.
It's
Yeah,
upbringing. We don't know.
What kind of upbringing your partner, boyfriend, date, anybody has is no one. So like what kind of upbringing your date or boyfriend has gone through is very important. And what do you think about sex before marriage?
Again, as I told you, you're karmically being attached with that person. Do you want your karmas to be attached? Do you want
Basically
to
the same answer that
the
think
thing-
before you
हाँ.
do whatever.
whatever if you want कि वही चीज तुम्हारी लाइफ में हो. Because I am telling you, it's 110% true.
Did you plan having me or was it an incident? I know the answer and I really don't want this to go online because there are like 1,000
let's
people
not answer
watching.
that.
No, it's okay. Like people want to know this. You can like
So many people are going to.
it's okay. It was
I
like
think everybody in my family knows it was surely a surprise for us, for me especially. I was just 21 when I got it.
she was scared to have a
I
child
was scared
at
to
that
have a child.
that's like
But then I would say
now she is so happy. No, wait.
तुम्हें करती रहो. हाँ, so whatever it is, I think whatever happens for the best. So if you're married, and let it be like it's really nice.
I don't want to bless
So if
her.
you're married and you get pregnant, and if your partner, one of the partner wants to have a baby, you should continue to have. That's
Because
what we
now
did.
she tells me till date that all her friends are handling kids and
They have like 4 or 5 kids, and mine is 50 and I'm 3, and I'm like, okay, I can come there.
now I feel having a kid at an early age is better because You get to explore your life.
If you want to have kids in life, please have them early.
Can teens my age, maybe a year younger, a year younger, to be smoke, drink, party?
If you want to spoil your health, you can. If you hate yourself, please go ahead.
See, I don't see. It's basically I feel this is a personal opinion. Being a teen, I have seen my friends getting into stuff, and it's plainly because of peer pressure.
I know, and I'm telling you one thing.
I know
peer pressure,
people who are into peer pressure, and obviously I won't name them, but it's just that I feel you shouldn't do anything to look cool. Smoking, vaping,
and one more thing which I would like to add to it is it's peer pressure में आके तुम शुरू कर दोगे. दूसरी बात ये फिर उसको कभी छोड़ना is next to impossible because I've seen people who want to quit and they are not able to quit. Okay. Secondly, beta, when you are doing anything which harms your body, basically, if I'm talking spiritually, you are punishing yourself for something you did wrong. Okay, and please get rid of that thing. If you think कि मेरा peer pressure की वजह से नहीं मेरे को because मेरा I feel better after doing that, means there is something in your mind which you feel you've done wrong or someone has done wrong and you're punishing yourself for that. So get rid of it, because once a counselor told me this thing. I went to a counselor and she told me this thing, that if you're doing anything which harms your body, it's because you're punishing yourself. So get rid of it. Go to a counselor, talk to that person, go to someone.
I feel also one thing, I feel the counselors are like at a very high rate for normal people, and I would honestly never go to a
counseling is not needed if you are doing some physical activity, and secondly, you are a physical activity, I'm saying as if yoga or running or jogging, not necessarily gym. Please, I am not a gym person. I'm very much like a person who would say that body is very sacred, so please treat it very, very nicely. Eat and drink things which can really, really help you. And food also makes a lot of part of how you feel and how you are going to be in your life.
Okay, did you have a crush, or did anybody have a crush on you, or did you have a relationship, did you have a kiss, anything like?
Not going to answer.
No, you have to. Like, just answer now.
Yeah, I had a crush. And yes, many people had crushes.
That
I
is
see many
it. I'm literally the photocopy of her being at my age.
So
So you can see her child.
And I had two elder brothers. And the younger one was very strict. I'm sure he's watching the video and
He's gonna kick you.
Yes. And he was very protective, and
But
I think it's because of them I never could get a love marriage done.
Or else you would have had it.
Yeah, or else I would have had. No, actually I was not very confident of choosing a boy. No.
But then you wanted a career thing first before
Yeah, I
marriage.
was a very, very career-oriented person.
Same. Genes, I think.
Yes, I was very, very competitive. I was always the center of attraction, always on stage, could never stay down.
So yeah guys, this is it for the video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching the video if you've come till here. And yeah, I hope you guys keep supporting. I'll maybe make a part 2 about this.
No part 2 is coming. I am not going to shoot it ever.